The first Air India flight evacuating 324 Indian nationals from coronavirus-hit Wuhan, China, landed in Delhi today this morning. The 423-seater Boeing 747 jumbo aircraft brought 324 passengers, comprising 211 students, 110 working professionals and 3 minors who were stranded in the coronavirus-hit Chinese city, media reports said. They will be taken to special quarantine camp set up in Manesar in Gurgaon district. Meanwhile, another Air India special flight to evacuate Indians from coronavirus-hit Wuhan in China would depart from the Delhi airport this afternoon. Hours after the first flight with 224 passengers landed in the Indian capital today morning. According to media reports, 2 more people suspected of coronavirus have been admitted to Delhi's Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital. Considering many similarities shared between Japan and Manipur in terms of culture, the two may be globally recognized as the twin city very soon, said Manipur Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar during the inaugural function of a 2-day-long Indian International Dance Festival 2020 at the auditorium of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal. Enhanced packaging quality of food products in Manipur can easily compete with all types of outside branded products, said Dr. N.G. Iboyaima, Senior Principal of Central Food Technological Research Institute, Mysore. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has begun presenting her second union budget. As she rises to reveal her answer to a frail economy, steps to boost consumer demand and revive growth will be watched closely. Beginning her presentation in Parliament with a tribute to former Finance Minister Arun Jaitley, who died last year, Sitharaman termed the GST historic structural reform. Today's union budget, the third in a span of 1 year, will seek to kickstart an economy starting at the worst pace of expansion recorded since the 2008-9 global financial crisis. Peace and Development Committee has called a dawn to dusk ban along the Imphal-Sakul road beginning 6 am today against construction of Yumnam Patlaw Bridge illegally and failure of the concerned authority to take action against the PWD officials and the contractor. Women's rights activist and social worker Urmila Chanam of Manipur has been awarded the prestigious international award, World Pearls Spirits Award for Sisterhood and International Recognition. The award was announced by CEO cum founder of the world's largest social network of women, accompanied by jury, board and community members on January 30 last at its headquarters in Oregon, USA. 9th Chatkoi Laisu Tamba Hauban Numit was observed today at Nongpok Chingu Thong Maitei Laikol of Tharo CP Lok Seloi Lamaiching. A 2-day-long capacity building program began at Chandal Krishi Vigyan Kendra training hall of Mongsang Pantha village yesterday. The program is organized by KBK Chandal under the sponsorship of ICAR, Indian Institute of Agriculture Biotechnology Ranchi, Jharkhand, under the supervision of Northeastern Hill component on the scheme, scientific cultivation on high-yielding varieties of rapeseed, mustard, lentils and field pea under rain-fed condition for doubling farmers' income. Lambung Village Authority Chief Alam Anal expressed disappointment that Deputy Commissioner of Chandel Krishna Kumar has submitted a proposal to the higher authorities for construction of a medical college at Lambung Village of Chandel without the knowledge of the landowners. He appealed to the concerned authorities to take steps for construction of the medical college at Kelthalong. T-shirts, notebooks and reading materials were distributed to students of Laikon Upper Primary School located at Kongwamakha Nandaibam Lekai, Imphal East during a function held at the school premises today. The event was jointly organized by BLMEC, SMC Laikon Upper Primary School. A meeting for Parents and Teachers Committee was held during the program. President Ramnath Kovind has rejected a mercy petition filed by Vinay Sharma, 26, one of 4 men on death row for gang raping a 23-year-old Delhi student, now known as Nirbhaya, in 2012, a media report said. The 4 men were scheduled to be hanged today, but the Delhi court postponed the execution indefinitely today. The Senate brought President Donald Trump to the brink of acquittal on the charges that he abused his power and obstructed Congress, as Republicans voted to block consideration of new witnesses and documents in his impeachment trial. Malka Mahatab Buyamayum of Manipur clinched 3 medals at the recently concluded 10th National Bobinam Championship held at Anand in Gujarat from January 27 to 30. She also won a gold medal at the 9th National Bobinam Championship at Guwahati last year. The coronavirus epidemic continued to wreak havoc on the international sporting calendars as the Lingshui China Masters Badminton Tournament, part of the qualifying process of the Tokyo Olympics, was postponed today. Organizers made the decision to put off the event, which was scheduled to take place from February 25th to March 1st in Hainan after a number of players withdrew.